Welcome to Beautiful and Rebellious, and today's video is going to be me making a tutu, of course. And let's begin. First, you need to gather your material, 3 to 4 rolls of tulle, something to hold the elastic that you're going to be using, whether it's a headband or just a strip of elastic. Since I'm making this for a toddler, I'm going to be using a headband, but you can also use a strip of elastic for toddlers or anyone bigger than toddler. Right here, my model is what I'm going to be stretching my elastic. You will also need a rectangular object. Right here, I use a binder, and you also need measuring tape to measure out whatever object you're going to use. Doesn't matter. For your first steps, we are going to grab the tulle, rectangular object, and your scissors. We will be prepping all of your rolls of tulle. After you finish your whole first roll of tulle, you'll just need to cut one end and then repeat with all the other rolls. It should look like this when you're done. I have prepared 4 colors. The 2 rows I used all of are my main colors. You can gather 1 to 3 pieces of tulle at a time. Not quite sure if you can see this, so let's fix that. As you can see, I already started on this row. Once you find your next loop, you will gather your tulle and fold it in half, as I just showed you in the previous clip. Okay, so when I got to the front of this skirt, I made it shorter so it'll be easier for her to walk. So if you want a shorter tutu, you actually can cut what you have pre-cut already in half again, and the skirt will be short and really fluffy. Thanks for watching, you guys, and tune in more often. Here's the finished product.